Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at a 15-minute chart of CVAC, CVAC, NV healthcare sector. Let's get right into it. So obviously the boys brought these guys down south, taking out that 100 level off what it's this year's highs. Well, actually, yeah, this year's highs were around that 132 and change. Brought it down to the high 80s and found that bounce off the zone. You saw that push up, and then obviously putting a higher low, which pretty much put it in play to see how the boys are going to build into it. And going into this past week and on Friday's session, the imbalance was there, putting it, getting it ready to rip. So you see the footprints in the sand. That's put it on our watch. We had this on our weekly trade watch list going into this week's session. So we were ready to rip. Ready to get involved and continue buying this thing up with the boys. So that's what we do. We align ourselves with institution, and at the end of the day, those are the guys that move the markets, guys. So there's no need to fight the flow, right? So we ended up getting involved. We had a plan going into this session. We talked about it in our video. Hopefully you guys caught that with us. But let's just talk about this. We actually got stopped out a couple of times in the early part of the session before we ended up, it was all break even, so it really didn't matter. But we continued stock to stock. It was in play and continued to do what we needed it to do. So let's get down to business. Let's talk about how we managed it, where we got stopped out a couple of times, and then how we scaled back in. And let's just talk about the whole trade setup itself. All right, so let's talk about details. Get down to business, guys.